Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you exactly how to design top selling t-shirt using Canva, and it will be an step by step video. So if you ever wanted to make your own t-shirt to sell on Etsy, Redbubble, Shopify or even locally, Canva makes it super easy even if you are not a designer. By the end of this tutorial you will know how to plan, design, export and get your t-shirt ready to sell, all using Canva in 2025. So grab your laptop, open Canva and let's get it started. So first of all, read just winning t-shirt ideas. So how you can do it? Before you start designing, you need an idea that people actually want to wear. Head over to Etsy, Amazon Merch or Redbubble and search for popular t-shirt design like this way. Let's go to the Etsy and let's search it here, popular t-shirt design, and look for the trend. So t-shirt, and here you will get couple of design. So you will find out the popular one and the best selling also. So look for trends, funny quotes, niche hobbies, motivation, sing, mom shirts, pet lovers, then possibilities are endless. Check what is selling well, but don't be copy. Use it for inspiration. Write down 3 ideas that fit your style and your target audiences, and then set up your Canva first. So come back to the Canva and open your Canva and click create design, then choose custom size. Here you can see we have the custom size already. So most print on demand t-shirt need a high resolution PNG. A good size is 400, like 4500 versus 500 for 5400 pixel. And here you just need to click on create new design. Once you click over, which works for sites like Amazon Merch and Printful, this gives you plenty of space or design, and the image will be crisp when printed. Name your file something clear like funny dog dad shirt 2025. Like here we're going to give a name that funny t-shirt, and it's okay. Now you can do your rest of work in here. So design with transparent background to make sure your design looks good on different shirt colors. Use a transparent background tool in Canva. Click file, then show background, keep it blank or use white for visibility while designing. Remember, your final export will be a PNG with a transparent background, so don't add a solid color behind your design. Now let's talk about add text that pops. Now let's add text. One of the easiest way to make a best design, best selling t-shirt, you just need to click to the text. Once you click over here to the text, then you will get the option to add heading. I'm going to paste it here. It is a drag and drop builder, so it is so much easy to do work in here. So you just need to type your phrase, keep it short and catchy. Pick a bold, easy read font. Canva has tons of free fonts. Look for one that match your vibe, retro, handwriting. Like, let's take inspiration from that place. So let's find it out that does it have any kindergarten. So I will give a text that will be kinder. This one will be quite good. Now I will choose the font which is relevant with that design I already memorized. So I will click on this one and then I will choose the font, and here you can see it already been awesome. The font is really good and well. I will place it properly and make sure your text will be the big, and always adjust the spacing and add contrast, and use only 2 or 3 colors max to keep your design simple and print friendly. And let me give you a pro tip that make sure your text works well on both light and dark shirt also. Then you just need to add simple graphics or icon. Let's spice it up with graphics, but keep it simple. You just need to click to the elements. Once you click over here, you just need to search for icon or illustration that fit your theme. For example, a paw print for pet shirt or tiny heart for mom shirt. So I will search here print. I will get printer in here. I will paste, like use this printer as it in here. So from that place, I think that printer will be a quite good one, or I can use this one as it our design. So here you can see this is the premium pro, so it sometimes give you an horrible things, but when you are using the premium plan you are able to use this plan in here, or you can use the free one like this. Like you just need to place it here, then you decrease the size and place as it here. Let's remove this one and I will decrease the size of the text. Let's select this one, and from that place I will just select the text. So we already add the simple text here. You can see that it already been done. So and I will make it more, and then I'll place it here, and I'll place the text in here also. You can increase the size also, then place it here, and here you can actually see the font. So you can add text that pops, I already did. Then you can add simple graphics or icon, we also did it. And always stick to solid colors and clear shades. Your design should still be an easy to read from a few feet away. Then you just need to be align size and center everything. Make sure your design look balanced. Center your text and graphics. Canvas alignment guides help a lot here. Group elements together so they move as one. Leave enough padding around the edge so nothing gets cut off during printing. A clean center design looks way more professional and sells better. Now when you feel like once you are happy with your design, you just need to click to the share and download. Just click to the share, and here you will eventually get the option to the download here. Just click to the download. Once you click over here, then you will get a couple of more options here. You just need to be choose your file type. It would be a transparent for I will choose the PNG. Once I click over here to the PNG, then I will get the option to transparent background. So I just need to select this one, and you can see there's a options we have, so we're not allowed to use it in the free version, so it's quite hard. So if you want to use this transparent background option, you just need to be shift to the premium plan. Once you've done, you just need to be select this one like check transparent background and keep the size at high resolution, and just click the download button, and now you have a print ready file for your t-shirt. Double check the file on your computer to make sure the background really is a transparent. Now you're ready to sell. Upload your design to your print on demand site like Printful, Printify or Redbubble. Pick your shirt style, colors and mockups. Write a clear title and description with keywords that helps buyers find your shirt like funny dog, dad shirt or cool retro quad tee. Set your price and publish. You are officially in the t-shirt business right now. And that's it for today. Now you know actually how you can make a custom t-shirt design in Canva that's ready to sell in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.